Hello, my name's Vicky and you might know me from heading into the mountains. I've come to do something a little bit different today. So I'm here in Port PENRHYN in Bangor. You can see the port behind me, and I have been wanting to try a long distance trail for a while now, and I thought where better than here in Snowdonia. So I purchased the Snowdonia Slate Trail book. It's a lovely book. I'm really excited about starting this today. So I'm hoping to learn lots about the Welsh Slate and the local heritage and support the local community along my way. So the trail starts here in Bangor. I'm going to be heading through into Bethesda, and then I'm going to carry on into Llanberis today. So from Bangor to Llanberis it's about 13.5 miles. Which should be a nice day. I'm not here nice and early. I parked up in Llanberis and I caught 2 buses, fairly simple, one from Llanberis to Carnarvon and then from Carnarvon to Bangor. Let's go and have a little look. So the trail is waymarked. I'm going to be following these signs here. I have got my map and compass with me as well. Just reading this sign here, and the horses used to pull, it says around 24 wagons loaded with slate to PENRHYN port, and they used to do the last half-a mile stretch. Going 800 metres along here to a kissing gate, apparently, where the mountains beckon ahead. Kissing gate? Side trips that you can do on day one is to PENRHYN Castle, and I'm wondering if that's got to be something to do with the castle. So the path says descend the path to the left after the crash barrier and cross over the Afon Ogwen, where you may be looking up to spot a kingfisher. see PENRHYN Castle. Fabulous view. Coming up to Halfway Bridge, so that's halfway between Bangor and Bethesda, so a quarter of our route. High Street. I've made it to the cafe. Unfortunately the cafe's closed today, but it is a bank holiday, so for anybody that wants to do the trail just to Bethesda, so just over 6 miles, there is a car park at the end, but I'm going to carry on to Llanberis now. Just check for you, and there are also frequent buses that run from Bethesda High Street back to Bangor.